Introducing the Classic from American Infinity Printing. With Infinity 3DP technology, our model of 3D printer offers stable and accurate quality. Each part specifically constructed to deliver a precise and powerful experience. Safe and easy to use, with the AIP Classic, the only limitation is your imagination. Classic. 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 Art and technology combined for the modern creative. Perfect for all levels of experience. Print with more than 7 types of filament including PLA, polycarbonate, and nylon. Our lightweight aluminum alloy housing allows for stable printing anywhere you need. Pause your print at the office or studio and resume at home quickly and easily. Our user-friendly training videos paired with great customer service will make for a fun, productive, and satisfying user experience. Make anything from perfectly scaled models to fully functional parts and toys. The AIP Classic at your fingertips. What will you make?